post clear, concise signage, and a complete owner manual to prevent accidental damage to a tiny house septic system. A tiny house septic system owner manual should start with a one-page quick reference that covers startup and shutdown steps, routine maintenance intervals, and emergency actions. Describe how to locate risers, access lids, distribution boxes, and the drain field using permanent landmarks and simple measurements so anyone can find components without excavation. Explain how to operate vents, pumps, and any dosing controls, including how to safely cycle power off and back on and when to test alarms. Include simple, step-by-step checks that a homeowner or contractor can perform with basic tools. Recommend a maintenance calendar that spells out inspection frequency and tasks such as pump outs, filter cleaning, and vegetation control, and tell readers how to record dates and observations in a durable log. Advise on how to protect the drain field from compaction by marking no traffic zones and giving exact minimum setback distances from structures and parking areas. Provide guidance for contractors on acceptable soil protection methods during temporary access, such as using steel plates or timber mats and avoiding heavy equipment over the field. Include a concise list of spare parts to keep on hand and clear instructions for when to call a licensed service professional. The three most common issues are accidental compaction of the drain field, misoperation of valves or pumps, and missing or inaccessible documentation. For compaction, put visible signs and physical barriers near the drain field and state the weight limits and no traffic rules so contractors know to use alternative access. Replace compacted areas with proper topsoil and revegetate with shallow-rooted grasses if damage occurs. For misoperation, label every valve, switch, and alarm with both its function and a short action phrase like stop, open, or reset, and include a troubleshooting flowchart in the manual so a reader can follow safe steps before calling for help. For missing documents, store the owner manual, permits, and as-built plans together in a durable, weatherproof binder near the system, and keep digital backups with clear file names so any contractor can find the permit and layout in minutes. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who understand systems like tiny house septic setups and to help contractors find work on projects that match their skills. Our discussion community lets owners and contractors ask questions, share photos, and practical tips so everyone can protect systems and avoid costly mistakes.